close to Hatlanga village. Along the line of control, we have intercepted a major consignment of warlike stores, which comprise of 8 AK-74 rifles, 12 pistols, 14 hand grenades, and other warlike stores. This area, close to the line of control, is along a nala called Hatlanga Nala, which is a wide nala which has got large number of boulders and dense foliage on either sides. It's also the winters, so very low temperatures and dense fog which comes in around midnight and closer to the forenoon. This area remains engulfed by dense fog. We have local population living right up to the line of control. The Hatlanga village has about 50 odd houses, and the closest house from the point of recovery, which is on the line of control, is about 150 meters. The anti-infiltration obstacle system, or the LC fence as it is called, is close to a kilometer behind the line of control, and hence all these houses are between the LC fence and the line of control. As a result, we encourage people to cultivate, to collect firewood or tend to the cattle right up to the line of control, and hence very small parts of this particular area where the recovery has been made is mined. I have with me Rais Bhatt, the Senior Superintendent of Police of Baramulla District, and to my left the Commanding Officer of the Battalion Rustam, along with his company commander who had carried out the operation. I will now ask the battalion commander to cover certain salient aspects of the operation, after which we will request the SSP to give his comment. Yeah.
Good morning, Jain. I would be briefing you all about a joint search operation which was undertaken by Army and Jammu Kashmir Police on 24th of December 2022, which was part of multiple search operations being carried out by us since last 2 weeks, based on multiple intelligence inputs which was provided to us from military intelligence and various central and state intelligence agencies about presence of terrorist groups in suspected launch pads who were planning to infiltrate and push warlike stores through the line of control towards hinterland before heavy snowfall. Therefore, the already robust anti-infiltration grid and surveillance grid was further strengthened by launching additional ambushes and area domination patrols led by dynamic young officers and junior leaders. The entire area of responsibility of my battalion was adequately covered both during day and night by various means. The terrain as obtained in the area of operation is mountainous with huge boulders, thick undergrowth and steep cuttings towards own side of line of control along the Nala bed, which happens to be the line of control.
As the operation details of the operation yesterday have already been given, I will perhaps concentrate on general situation over the area. Operating jointly with the Army and the other intelligencies in the area, we have so far successfully managed to keep the attempts of infiltration at bay. There have been attempts repeatedly all through the sector as well as other areas to try and push through narcotics, arms, ammunition, and perhaps for the first time we are seeing, at least in the valley side, these balloons which are commonly more frequent in the Jammu side. And this kind of a push perhaps points to a kind of attempt to again instigate certain propaganda-based street violence and other such incidents. There has been a very good amount of recovery when it leads to the when we mention the narco terror related recoveries that we've had this year, and running into multiples of crores just on the narcotic side. We have had certain attempts, as we have been reported earlier, certain successful operations on the LC also, and the joint efforts and the synergy that we have with the forces, it has been at an all-time high. So far, no major infiltration that we have seen this year have happened in this sector, and which is a result of the keen eye that we've been keeping on the LC and the general area behind it. In the hinterland, we are looking at places where the support for the terrorists is coming up or has been a rather lingering problem, and that is being dealt with currently.
कभी बेड सोने के अलावा खेल का मैदान होता है। खाने की मेज पर खाने के अलावा अपनों का साथ होता है, जहां सोफे पर पूरा परिवार एक साथ दिखता है। आईने के सामने श्रृंगार के साथ कभी कभी प्यार होता है। इसीलिए तो हम कहते हैं कि एक मकान घर तब बनता है जब वो KS फर्नीचर से सजता है। रिश्तों की मिठास का एहसास KS फर्नीचर के साथ।
Providing latest education in its state-of-the-art institute and also providing an opportunity to the students to explore their careers across the globe.
और रेन का एकमात्र उद्देश्य है युवाओं को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ब्यूटी एजुकेशन देना।
एडवांस डिप्लोमा इन एस्थेटिक एंड हेयर ड्रेसिंग की विदेशों में फी 12 से 5 या 6 गुना ज्यादा है, जबकि ओरेन बेहद कम फीस में ये कोर्सेज करवा रहा है।
In Oren, there is a student-friendly environment. Students have the freedom to think for themselves in training. Oren is the only institution where teachers are available whenever students need. An institution that provides hair, makeup, skin, nail art and mehendi courses so close to the students' home that is actually a blessing. different cultures,
different challenges.
More than 8,000 students are engaged. Earn while you learn.
Oren produces thousands of beauty professionals who are today doing extremely well in their respective field. So what are you waiting for?
Join Oren Institute of Beauty and Wellness.
NIST, Institute of Beauty and Makeup, Fashion Designing, Hairdressing and Nail Extensions. Now also in Gandhinagar, Jammu. State-of-the-art infrastructure. Real-time practical and skill-based education and highly qualified trainers. NIST offers various courses in fashion designing, beauty and makeup, specially designed courses for hair cutting and hair designing. And also crash course for nail extensions. NIST encourages women's education, and our creative courses not only develop a woman's mindset and personality, but also help her to attain positive thoughts. NIST offers all courses with affordable fee. Come, learn, and exit with multi-dimensional career opportunities to come out in flying colors. NIST, the right choice for women empowerment. Admissions are open in beauty and makeup, fashion designing, hairdressing and nail extensions. NIST, 40AD first floor near Greenfield School, Gandhinagar, Jammu, and Sidco Chowk, Axis Bank Building, Bari Brahmi.